Let's go see your cat. My cat that you are...
Where is Misty? Oh, where's Misty?
And then...
I wonder where Misty went. Huh.
No.
Exactly, Misty.
Who's here? Who is that? Oh, honey.
Hi.
Oh. Who's that?
Hi. Who
Oh.
am I?
Who is that, honey?
Hello.
Kisses.
Hello, little girl.
Oh,
I
honey.
haven't seen you for a while.
Mommy,
Hi.
you know what she does in the morning now?
You're so cute.
She does a full-on, full-lip kiss right on your lips and doesn't use any tongue. She kisses like a human.
Oh.
She hugs your neck with one
I
arm.
saw those pictures. They're adorable.
Who is here?
Hello. Hi.
Hmm.
I saw another cat that had babies. Show you?
Mm-hmm. She's pretty
That's
cute,
my
huh?
cutie pie. Are you my cutie pie? Yeah. That feels good, doesn't it?
Who's here, honey?
Yeah.
You're so
Oh,
happy.
that feels so good. That feels so good.